This female lemon shark is making a special journey back to the very same bay in which she was born. She's heavily pregnant. And now, as close as possible to the edge of the mangroves, it's time to give birth. To perfectly formed, tiny sharks. This pup will never see Mom again, because where he's going, no adult can follow. His new home will be deep amongst the mangroves. The mesh of underwater roots keeps larger predators out. So, it's the safest place in the whole Caribbean for a young lemon shark to grow up. Although it's full of fish, newborn sharks aren't very good at catching them. You might not think it, but young sharks have to practice. And practice. And practice. He's definitely going to need help. And for that, lemon shark pups do something remarkable. They make friends. Scientists have discovered that a young pup learns quicker by hanging out with more experienced sharks. It's a kind of shark school where he can hone his technique as he grows up. And over time, the young pup eventually catches on. Got one. He's graduated